Let's use some EFT tapping to help unlock creativity. It's a pretty useful tool in this way. It's an interesting thing to explore. And so let's get creative with it and see where it takes us. So side of the hand, even though I'm not feeling as creative, or I feel some blocks, I choose to accept myself. Even though my creativity feels a little stuck, feels like I need some inspiration, I choose to honor myself and everything I'm feeling. Even though my creativity feels locked, that flow of ideas, that sense of inspiration just doesn't feel there for me as much as I would like it. And I know that there's more energy here that I can tune into. And I choose to honor and accept myself and everything I'm feeling, including whatever stuckness or sense of being blocked. Okay, through the points now. Creativity. It feels a little stuck, maybe very stuck. Feels a little blocked, maybe very blocked. But part of me does know that my mind and creativity itself is essentially unlimited. I could literally think of anything. And there is essentially infinite possibility as far as what I could write about or talk about, what I could draw or sculpt or model. But it just feels as though I don't have access to that. So rather than push through it or argue with it, I want to tune into that sensation. It might be physical, it might be emotional, it might be both. Noticing any tension in my body that arises around this creative subject. Noticing any emotions, any judgment of myself, any dismissing all the ideas, any feeling like I should be more inspired. And I'm actually going to welcome those feelings. I can allow myself to feel it more, because feeling helps it process. And there may be some part of me that feels like it's not totally safe, or it's not the right time to tap into creative potential. And if that's the case, just want to check in and listen a bit. Is there anything saying not just yet? And if so, why? Are there other things that I already know I need to do? Or other ideas in the works that would be better for me to focus on? But even if that's the case, whatever it may be, I want to ask myself, my body, mind, and nervous system, whatever is most needed for us right now, whether that's working through a block or connecting to a different source of energy, or to work on something that I already have in the works. Can you all be creative in helping me find the best solution? What do I need to process through? And can we bring that up now? What energy or inspiration would best serve me to connect to? Can we just be open and listen? Allowing myself to not try to force creativity, to relax into whatever is coming up, and allowing myself to trust that even if nothing immediately is coming up, maybe that's what we need right now. Maybe we need a little space to just be or just relax. Maybe that's what's needed to get the creativity flowing. So just allowing myself to listen more, trust more, open up more to whatever is needed, whatever the next step may be, to help tune into this creativity in the way that will best serve me. Okay, take a breath. Hopefully that gives you some positive directions. If some particular emotions come up, some different aspects that seem to be connected to the creativity, because as a creative person, we can be quite sensitive and have different emotions connected to this. You can check other videos of mine for some of those specific emotions, like if there's frustration or loneliness or not feeling supported in your creative work. Just keep following it. Everything will unfold in the way that's best for you if we keep tuning in and listening to ourselves. So hope this helps, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.